Alright, man, so 5 Twizzlers, guys. What do you got? Oh my god. Jared, is it worth what it says it is?
That's hot. That's some hot shit.
So is it not what everything makes it out to? I got you on there right now, man.
Oh. That's hot.
So is it good or what?
It's burning.
There you go. This is my boy, J-Rock and me, hanging out. Hang on, he's got what? Hang on a minute. Update.
Crunchy, a little toasty, but good.
There we go. Hey, we're just fucking hanging the hell out here. Another pit fire. Man, who the hell gives a shit? I go back in the morning, so what the fuck? Check out this goddamn fire.
We should see if our sparks blow up.
Oh man, this is a definite